Hey traders, how you doing? Rick here with Hit and Run Candlesticks. Hope everything's going well for you on this Monday, September 15th. I got to tell you, it's going fantastic for us, and I've got some huge news about our trading, and I would love to share it with you on let's see, September 23rd. Yeah, September 23rd, where I will be presenting a workshop to everybody. Here's a list of everything we're going to do. We start live with charts and target. At 9:30, the market opens. We're going to talk about our account and our management. At 10 o'clock, we're going to work on the 3-8 trap workshop. At 10:30, a breakout. I could keep going here, but you have to register. So please do me a favor. When you log on, or when you're in YouTube, whoops, that is not the right one. My bad. I am sorry. Go into YouTube, and then that thing keeps popping up. Sorry about that. And then click on that More button just below the video, and you'll see a link to the registration, okay? Please log in and register. Be part of our workshop. I promise you will not be disappointed. Okay, now let's talk about some things going on here. The market. We just nailed our target area up here of that 561. We just absolutely nailed it. Now everybody knows, I can't believe that anybody wouldn't know this, that on Wednesday, Fed Chair Powell will be speaking, and it'll be all about the rate cut. Are we going to get a quarter point? That's what everyone seems to think. Are we going to get a half point? Who knows? No one knows. But anyway, Wednesday, the market is likely to be a little choppy here and there. Likely we go into tomorrow the same way, a little bit choppy. So be a little cautious on your trading. I've already declared to all of our members in the trading room that I will be all cash come Wednesday. I don't want to deal with the mess, and I'll be glad to share the reasons why Tuesday, okay? I have to wait till Tuesday, and I will share all that with you. Register. It's free. It's no charge. So register for that, for the workshop, and come in at this whatever time it is that you want to come in for, okay? All right, let's get back to charts here. So right now, I'm kind of looking for maybe a little bit of rest in here, and if we were to, well, I guess I've done it. I'm going to take this and put that line right there on that black dot, and then I'm going to come up here and just go right to the end of the 8 EMA right there. So I'm kind of looking for us to pull back in this area right there. And if we do, that'll be okay. If we break below that orange line, then we may have a problem. But right now, the bulls are still winning. No questions about it. If you look at T2123, it remains bullish, although it's starting to kind of bend over a little bit. That's mostly because of some of the fear coming into Wednesday. You can see VXX, the same thing. We're trying to move up. All I believe here is there's traders hedging is what I think. So at this moment, no big deal, but you never know what's going to happen with the Feds. This could change the market, good or bad. All righty. A couple of trades today. UEC was a big trade today. Many members in the room bought this and made some great money on it right here. Terrific money, so looking good. AI, I think AI is still looking good. This is one that we're holding. Right now, I'm still looking for us to get up into that 1850 area. It's going to have to pass that 1767 area, but right now it's doing pretty darn good. There's an awful lot of nice looking charts out there. I do want to remind everybody that if you are interested and if you're awake and you're available, join us 8:30 a.m. Monday through Friday live, okay? You can log in through YouTube, Facebook, or X. Ask questions, ask about charts. I'll have trade ideas. Members from the room has trade ideas. We'd love to have you there. Okay, it's absolutely free. If you're not a member, again, log in through YouTube, Facebook, or X, 8:30 a.m. Eastern. All righty. Now let's go look at some other charts. Take a look at UUU. A lot of traders have been trading UUU. That to me looks like it still has room to move. The key will be timing and your entry point. So right now, I would be looking just for myself. If I was buying it, I would be looking for a little bit of a rest here. You know, we don't need these lines on there anymore. We'll keep that one. And then let's duplicate this. Add another target right there. There we go. I think we're good now. Yeah. So right now, target-wise, back up to 1390, and then look at that 1460 area up there on UUU. BTU, it was a big one today for a lot of folks. Congratulations. BTU just smacked right up against our 50% retracement area. That's what this line right here is, where you see that bunch of dotted lines there. We've come all the way down here to the April low, and then we have rallied all the way back up. A beautiful chart along the way. Just nailed it. Next target is about that 22 to 2250 area up here on BTU. Again, if you're looking to trade it, it's important to set up your timing. Make sure that you're in tune with the market. This is something that I'll be talking about a lot Tuesday. So please, again, register. Click on that more button underneath the video. You'll see the link. Register for our workshop that we're going to be having this coming Tuesday, all right, the 23rd. Anyway, we'll talk about BTU, how to enter, what we'll be looking for, and there'll be other charts we'll be talking about as well. Sophie, I know that a few people that are in Sophie, and that is working out very well here. Sophie. All right. Hey, look, I don't want to keep you here too long. Do me a favor. If you're not a subscriber of our YouTube channel, please do subscribe. Click on that button. You'll be alerted when I send an alert out. Make sure you watch us live tomorrow morning, every day, and you'll get some real-time actionable alerts during that time, okay? Thanks a lot, and I'm going to thank you again ahead of time for registering for that open house. You guys take care. Thank you very much. Good night.